all the Valentine lovers, hey, una we know say una get partners and una partners get una. My people, I don't bring una matter straight from Don Jazzy and Peruzzi. Hey, no be small advice. Oh, now they don't come out. They say that they give una advice. No be me. Una, you understand? According to them, they say any of una we no say una go do Valentine gifts this period. Make una call una partner, whether you be man or you be woman. Call your partner, ask and say, baby, what are we? I bet for una we no know wetin they talk, how they talk am. Una we no even know who be Don Jazzy. I don't bring una the matter, so join me, make we watch the video.
This Valentine.
No shit.
Before you buy anything, ask your partner, what are we?
What are we? Oh, simple question.
What are we?
Confirm very well.
Don't go buy gift for birthday.
Don't go buy gift for another person's baby.
Somebody baby.
Just confirm. I'm helping you.
What
Just to
are
come, ask your partner, whoever, what are we? Just be sure you can be sure. This is because some of us not sure again.
Hey, wait till we no go see again. I don't tire for stingy men. Stingy men. Stingy men, na them they ask questions pass. Na them they worry pass. Any small thing they want know. My people, even waiting no even need question. They go they give you questions back to back. But baby, what is it? Child. See, my people, any man wey they give you freely from your heart. I not to say make you abuse am, but una go understand, una go even agree with me. Once you say, oh baby, I want to make my hair, they go just, you understand? They go just give you. Some of them, like this one where they talk about. Hey, your hair, why? When did you make this hair? Baby, it's not old. Even if your hair they smell, they go tell you say, baby, the hair is not old, the hair is not. Stingy men. Hey, Chineke. Now then go, you just ask man for phone now, for instance. Baby, I need a phone. No, baby, I got later. They go just they give you many excuses. When you hustle by yourself now, come buy that phone. Come see questions. Like say you go interview. And they go even join you use that phone. Oh. Hey, some people just they make my head they turn up and down. I beg women. Search before you date, oh, because these ones they are type. You go just come outside for public, they beg last. I they tell you a serious matter. Now they don't come and they tell us this one. Oh. See, if any stingy man call you this Valentine, now not say Valentine period, he just did the corner now. So make una they alert, they attentive. Oh. If any of them call now, ask you say, baby, what are we? I don't bring you a simple answer. Just tell her say, we are not happy. Just tell them that one. Because I'm not even serious. In fact, bring this big head outside. Sorry, Don Jazzy. You don't understand? I better come outside, my brother. See, you don't create enough problem for this society like this. For people relationship. You don't plenty. I don't tire. Your matter. The cup don't full, my brother. First of all, you know say already Nigerian guys, they stingy. You can't endorse them now with Stingy Men Association of Nigeria. I bet who send you message? You just weak. You don't know, my people, now we they suffer, we the girls. This one just bring problem now on top of our head. Problem where we they try solve since. You don't even come make a... Chineke. I'm not surprised. No, me, I know they surprised. The only reason why I bring Anna because I want make una know me. Hey, what do you expect? Person wey carry mama blood. In case una no know, na Igbo blood they flow through this boy vein like this. He carry am. No any small thing problem. See, Igbo men, they very few. When you see say Igbo person they help you, they very few. You know if you count them. This one very tight in hand. After going hand, no fit open. Every time I saw it dey. Na so it dey. Hey, wahala don't wear bone straight. See, make una no attack me. Because I know say see I dey see una now. Now don't they give me eye left. This one they give me eye right. No be me talk am. I just dey bring una this one na matter wey person personally tell me say Madam Aproko na this thing don happen. So now she can't tell me this one. Now why I even bring her? So before una go kill me before my time, abeg allow me drink water drop cup. Abeg make we watch the girl wey open her mouth by herself. Tell me this matter. Let's watch the video.
Imo State guys have the most evil mind among other guys in Nigeria. If you know you are dating any broke Imo State guy, my sister, get ready to cry for heartbreak. Once small changes start entering his hand, he will bring an attitude that you never believe is living in him. Like when they are broke, they can be so humble, respect, and can even wash any woman's periodic pants. Period panties once they are broke. But once small money start to enter their hands, they will start forming boss, start forming this, start forming that. So if you know you date any broke Imo State guy and you know one leave him, you must leave him. Once he start making money, you must cry and you must day your day, because he's not going to date you. They are evil. They have bad mind and evil mind. Now me talk him.
Now wow. I just wonder now, say which Igbo man now don't come pieces this one heart. I be waiting they do you, my sister. My people are not me, I no ask her, but as she tell me this matter, I no ask her because I don't know say the thing they see, but as now as they see her, they don't break this girl heart. Chai! Una see what I just talk about. No, una see am. It go soon happen for una. So they alert. See, remember this question, baby, what are we? Now the trending question now. So anywhere you hear her, just know say, now them. You understand? So make una eye dey open very well. My sister, when they don't break your heart, you don't come outside. I beg, sorry, take heart. You understand? Don Jazzy. Peruzzi, see, make una behave una self. You understand? Make una not allow me look for now. Because we don't see, una don't do enough. He don't do. We need this Valentine's time. See, we need flex the bone straight hair, the expensive bags, and you understand? No come spoil the mentality of our boyfriends. I beg you, no come spoil market for us. Like people, how una see am? Because na the case, so drop your comment. I want to know what you una think concerning this matter. Because now they come after us. Where are the ladies? They don't plan for us. So this one, no look at say they talk anyhow. Now us you understand? So I want to know what you think. Drop am for the comment section. It is very, very important. Share this video, make everybody know what they happen. Don't forget, I love you. See you later.